I'm about to enjoy this cookie. Hello to all my amigas and pals, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe down below so you can keep up with all the fun on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I cook my famous coconut cookies that all my friends love. You only need 3 ingredients and about 15 minutes, and I promise you, you're going to love them. So the ingredients that you'll need are 14 ounces of sweetened coconut flakes. And now for this video, I'm gonna make 2 different chocolate chip flavored coconut cookies. So I have semi-sweet chocolate and white chocolate chips. And then you'll need 14 ounces of condensed milk. So since I'm making 2 different flavored chocolate chip coconut cookies, I'm going to separate 2 different bowls and put the coconut flakes into each of them. Now because I'm making 2 different flavored chocolate chip cookies, I'm only pouring half of the 10-ounce bags into each of the bowls. And then, since I'm separating them, I'm going to go ahead and pour half of the condensed milk into each bowl. Now, of course, if you were just making 1 flavored chocolate chip coconut cookie, you would just pour all 3 of these ingredients into 1 bowl. And now you're going to go ahead and mix all 3 ingredients until you see that the condensed milk has fully saturated each and every one of the coconut flakes. So now on 2 baking sheets that are lined with parchment paper, I went ahead and got an ice cream scooper to scoop out each cookie size and put it right on top of the parchment paper. Now you could use a cookie scooper, or you could even use your hands that are wet a little bit with water so that they don't stick. But I usually don't like to get my hands full of condensed milk, so in this case I just use an ice cream scooper. And just for cracks and giggles, on these last 2, I'm going to go ahead and add some Reese's Pieces chocolate chips just to see how they taste, and just because I want to see if my husband will like them for the next batch. Now I've gone ahead and preheated my oven to 325, and I'm going to go ahead and place my cookie racks inside, and I'm going to bake for about 12 to 14 minutes. Once they're done, you're going to see that they're golden brown on the edges, and that is exactly how you want them to look. And the last step is the easiest. Just let them cool for 10 minutes before eating. Alright guys, that's it. It's that simple to make these cookies. Now the only thing left to do is enjoy them.